Welcome back to my channel, Great Learners. I have this question that says we should find the number of different permutations of the letters of the word easy mathematics. Okay, so solution. Now, permutation is arrangement, right? So unlike combination, that is selection. So they want us to arrange these letters and see how many times it can be arranged, how many ways it can be arranged, right? So first of all, let's calculate the total letters that are here. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the total letters is equals to what? 15. Now, another thing is to check, do we have letters that are repeating themselves? Or let's write all the letters that are present. Alphabetically, we have A. After A, we have C. After C, we have E. After E here, we have H. After H, we have I. After I, we have M. After M, we have what? S. After S, we have T. After T, we have what? Y. So what are the numbers of their occurrences? A appears how many times? 3 times. C, 1 time here. So count A. 1, 2, 3. C, 1 time. E appears how many times? 1 here and 1 here, 2. H appears how many times? Only 1. I appears how many times? 1 as well. 1. Look at it here. M appears how many times? We have 1 here and 1 here. That's 2. S appears how many times? 1 here and 1 here. We have 2. T appears twice. 1 here and 1 here. And Y appears only 1. So we have 1. Right? So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be taking the permutation. We want to know the number of ways these letters can be arranged. So we can take the permutations now will be what? 15 factorial all over all of these letters factorial. A factorial, C, E, like that, based on the number of times that they appear. So for A, we have 3 factorial. For C, 1 factorial. E, 2 factorial. H, 1 factorial. I, 1 factorial. M, 2 factorial. S, 2 factorial. T, 2 factorial. Y, 1 factorial. Okay, so now what is even the factorial? Factorial is like you want to repeat these numbers based on their decreasing point. Like 15 now, 15 factorial will be written this way: 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 6 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This is 15 factorial, all divided by 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2 times 1. 1 factorial is 1. Another 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2 times 1. The next 2 factorial is 2 times 1. The next 2 factorial is 2 times 1. The last one is 1. So this is how you expand the factorials. Now we can carry out normal mathematical division. 3 times 2 is 6. It will take away 6 here. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. That is 8. It will take away 8 here. 2 here will take away 2 here. So you are left with these values. So let me bring out the values that are left, because nothing will divide again. So you have 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 7 times 6 times 6 is gone, times 5 times 4 times 3. Yeah, these are the ways that will be left. So let's multiply them using our calculator to get our answer. So we have 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 7 times 5 times 4 times 3. That's the last value. So we're going to be having 1.362 times 10 raised to power 10, right? This is going to be the number of ways. So it's a lot of ways, like you keep repeating this before you finally succeed in the permutation of this number or this letter called easy mathematics. So if they give you any other letter, any other words, let's say they say physics, for instance, what you're just going to do is count the physics: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 letters, right? And then you want to do the permutation, so it will be permutation now will be equal to 7 factorial all over how many p do we have here? 1 factorial. How many h do we have here? 1 factorial. How many y? 1 factorial. How many s? 2 factorial. How many I? 1 factorial. How many c? 1 factorial. This is just how it goes. So this is going to be 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 1 factorial. They are all 1. So what we are left with is 2 times 1. So this will cancel this. So this is what you will be having, times 3. So let's do that and see the permutation of the word physics. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 will give you 252. That is 2,520 ways that this word physics can be permuted. All right, so this is where we stop in this problem. I'll see you in other videos.